Yabba dabba doo! Everybody, welcome to the channel. Gonna do a build on the Lego Ideas set number 24, which just happens to be the Flintstones. It is set number 21316. It has 748 Lego pieces. Pretty cool looking little set. I've had it for a while and been meaning to build it. Here's the top end of the box. Got the Flintstones on it doing a little bowling action there. There's the back of the box. Kind of shows you how the house breaks down as far as taking the roof off. A couple little scenes. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Here we go, opening it up. I have two pieces of tape keeping it closed. Looks like there are 6 bags to this set. Here's the instruction manual. Let's see, how many pages are there? Looks to be 181 instruction pages. Here's an idea of what the instructions look like. I'm going to go ahead and start the build now. Hello everybody. I finished the build of the Flintstones set. This is a Lego Ideas set that was put out a little while back. I've been sitting on it for a little while. Turned out pretty good. Lots of good detail in the printing on the figures. I love the Brontosaurus ribs that are hanging off the side of the car there. I don't know if many of you have seen any of the Flintstones cartoons, but they were pretty good back in their day. I think you can still find them out there somewhere. It was a fun little build. I like how you can kind of take the back of the house and open it up a little bit there. I don't have them fully open, but it gives you a little more play area. It's got a little TV in there, couch, coffee table. It's even got a few got a bowling ball and a few bowling pins. I like how they did the slanted roof on it. It does come off, by the way, like that. Let it go around once with it off. The door does open and close. I like the printing on the not window shades, but the curtains there. Nice palm tree. Even got a couple of coconuts hanging on it. There's a little canvas top for the car here. There were no stickers in this set. Everything is printed. Here comes the backside again, so you can see the bowling ball and the 3 pins in the little crate there behind the car. Bowling ball might be a little bit too low for you to see, but now you can see inside the house a little bit better. There's a nice brick-built telephone on the right side and a lamp on the left. It's even got a little picture behind the couch there. Looks like it's a woolly mammoth. Let's see if I can put the top back on here while it's moving. There you go. All in all, pretty cool little set. The only thing I could say that it's missing is the little dinosaur pet, Dino. That would have made it a little bit better. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the little bell so you get a notification when I publish another video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.